How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be just talking about the giveaway that I'm doing. Finally reached 400 subscribers. I'm really happy about that. I couldn't have made it here without you guys. I really appreciate you guys subscribing, sharing, liking, and commenting on all my videos. I'd like you to keep doing that. Keep spreading the word. Help me get my message out. I'm here to help you guys, and you really help me by spreading my word. So talking about the giveaway, I am giving away one Amazon Echo Dot. To be entered to win this, guys, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's one. You need to follow me on Twitter. That's two. Follow the Faulks Tech Twitter. You can follow me as well, which is at Derek Faulks, but Faulks Tech is the one that I'll be using to raffle off and see who wins. Instagram as well. And of course, you gotta subscribe and like the video. I don't know if I'll count that more than once, but that's the main thing. I'm gonna have it all listed below. Check out the description of this video, and one of you guys will be the lucky winner of an Echo Dot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm glad to be able to give one out and to give you guys back what you've given me. And I really appreciate, again, everything you've done. Keep up the good work, guys. I'm really feeling motivated from you. I'm really feeling the passion from you guys. And I'm going to be branching out. I hope you guys stick around for more, because I'm going to continue doing NVIDIA Shield videos. That seems to be pretty popular, and it seems to be pretty successful. But I'm going to be branching out more into the other realms of technology as well, such as you saw a few computer builds I've done. I'm going to be doing tutorials. May go into terminology as far as the tech side of things. So if you got any suggestions, if you want to see some videos, go ahead and put a comment on this video as well, and we'll drive from there. And if you've made it to the end of this video, you didn't just watch it for the giveaway, there's one extra thing you have to do, and that is to comment below. Comment what you would do with this guy. Would you just set it in your living room? Do you have other goals or other visions for this? But yeah, so again, in the video, I'm going to give you everything you have to do. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, you have to comment on this video, you have to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and yeah, that is it. And that's follow Faulks Tech Twitter, not Derek Faulks, but you can follow me if you would like. But guys, that will conclude this video. I just wanted to announce this. I'm going to have more videos coming out. Stay tuned. I apologize I haven't gotten one up. It's been a pretty hectic week, and we're going to be getting back on schedule soon. I promise. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to mention, August 21st is when I'll be announcing who has won this device. So as long as you have done all the requirements, which will be also in the description of this video, you'll be entered in. August 21st, I will announce it and then ship it out on the same day. So guys, yeah, that's it. If you do what's required, you could be entered in to win one of these. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.